This video will show you how to uninstall the stock brakes on all 2010 through 2014 Mustangs.
All right, now we're going to take our front brakes off. So to take our front caliper off, we're going to take a 12mm ratcheting wrench and take our 2 bolts off. All right, now we're going to take our 2 12mm bolts off. All right, we can take our caliper off now. Grab a hanging tool. Just hang that up on our strut here. You can also take our pads off while we're here. All right, next we are going to take our caliper bracket off. That is these 2 15mm bolts here. And then we can slide our rotor off. All right, now we're gonna take our front caliper off. This is also a 13mm bolt here. Just remember, this will drip brake fluid again. Have something underneath. All right, now we're in the back here. We're gonna take off our caliper. So we have 2 13mm bolts holding on our caliper to our bracket. So we're gonna take our ratcheting wrench and take those off. All right, now we can take our caliper off. Grab a hanging tool. Just hang that up out of the way. We can also take our pads off while we're here. All right, now we can take our bracket off for our caliper. There are 2 15mm bolts holding it on. All right, and now we can just take our rotor off. All right, now since we are replacing our calipers with this kit, what we have to do is disconnect our rear caliper. So we have a clip here holding on our parking brake, and then we have to remove it out of our lever here and then disconnect our line also. All right, we're gonna start off by taking our clip off, take a flathead screwdriver, just pry that off. All right, now we're gonna get a small pry bar and go in between here, pry down our lever so we can release our cable. All right, now we just need to disconnect our brake line. It's a 13mm bolt. And grab our ratcheting wrench, take that bolt out. Now we'll drip brake fluids. Just make sure you have a bucket or something underneath.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.